Hey everyone, it's Ryan here with Soaky Weather, again with Lucas. We're going to continue our series on severe weather awareness. Today we're going to talk about potential death and destruction. We're talking about tornado safety here. So Lucas, what can you tell us about tornado safety?
So the most important thing to know with tornado safety is you want to make sure that you know exactly where in your house you need to go. We're going to have a graphic that we're going to put up that's going to be able to kind of show you a little bit better picture. But in general, what you want to do is you want to get on the lowest floor of your home, whether that be the first floor or your basement. And then if you don't have a basement, you're going to want to get onto an interior room or a hallway, away from any windows. And in general, you want to get as many walls between you and the outside as possible.
So, what about people who don't actually live in a house that, like a mobile home or something like that?
With a mobile home, you want to just get out.
Okay.
You don't want to be in a mobile home during a tornado. You would preferably get out well before the tornado warning is issued. That way you have plenty of time to get to safety.
And I know that in a couple of our other videos we talked about, the warnings and risks and what to do, how to be prepared for severe weather, know when to go, when not to go into a safe place, right?
Correct. If you live in a mobile home, you want to activate your safe place during the tornado watch, so you can actually get out of your house, your mobile home, and get to a safer site-built structure before a warning is issued. In your own home, if you have an actual house, you're going to want to get that when the warning is issued.
And I know that there's a lot of the fire departments around here have safe rooms, and we can get you a list. We'll put a link down in the description on this video of all the safe places in Warren County and some of the surrounding areas. We'll try to get a list of those for you guys. But Lucas, what kind of stuff do you need inside of your house to be prepared for severe weather?
Well, the first and foremost, if you're in your home and a tornado warning is issued, you're going to want to make sure you're wearing hard sole shoes. Make sure you're wearing shoes, not flip-flops, because if your house is struck by a tornado and you're not wearing shoes, you're going to be walking over debris. You're going to be walking over nails and screws, and you don't want to have to walk through that debris without shoes on.
Right.
That's first and foremost. You're also going to need a first aid kit somewhere near you.
We have an example first aid kit right here, actually. This one right here we got on Amazon would work very well.
Exactly. And you would keep this in that interior room that you're going to shelter in. That way, it would be close to you in the event that the tornado strikes. You're going to want a flashlight, especially
we have a flashlight right here.
With the majority of Kentucky tornadoes occurring at night, you're going to need to be able to see afterwards. Yeah. If your house is struck by the tornado, you're going to need to be able to see when you go out to know what you're walking over. And this is going to sound kind of crazy, but it would be really good to have some form of helmet, some form of head protection. When you're either a bike helmet or a baseball helmet like this, and just say the tornado warning is issued, you're going to want to get into that room and put the helmet on. That way, when the tornado hits and things start falling, your head's well protected.
Yeah.
Something's not gonna get through this to damage your head.
Yeah, I think that's definitely a good idea.
Most injuries in tornadoes are not caused by the tornado itself, but they're caused by flying debris. So something like this would protect you a whole lot.
Yeah, definitely.
In that event.
Your head's a very important part of your body to protect.
Exactly. So. And people think it's crazy when we tell them to get a helmet or something like that during a tornado, but it is very beneficial.
Yeah, and everybody, it's very common to have bike helmets sitting around your house, baseball helmets, so.
Exactly.
It's just common things you can just grab real quick when there's a potential tornado threat.
Exactly.
So what would we need to do, in the event that power's out? How are we going to be able to get warnings?
Well, one easy way is, make sure your phone's charged. You're going to want to make sure that in case you need to contact emergency services, or you can get those wireless emergency alerts we talked about on your phones.
Yep.
But another easy way to do that is get a Midland Weather Radio. They are battery powered. You can put batteries in them, and they'll last for quite a while in there.
Okay.
They're electric powered most of the time.
Probably good to get some spare batteries.
It's always good to have spare batteries, and all this does is anytime the National Weather Service issues a warning for any county in their area, this will go off.
Okay.
And these are also programmable.
Nice.
To where you can program it to only go off for specific counties. That way you're not getting woke up at 2 in the morning by weather radio for a tornado warning. It's not going to affect you.
Okay. I think maybe we should make a video on maybe programming that.
We can do that as well.
So we'll have that up hopefully maybe this week. We'll put that up on how to program these things. And where can you buy those?
You can buy them at Walmart, Kroger. We'll put a link for Amazon on the description.
Okay.
That's probably the cheapest place to get them. And they're not expensive. You're going to run. We'll put a few different options. Somewhere around $20 to $30 for a weather radio that could save your life.
Awesome. So make sure you get in a center room if you don't have a basement.
Preferably a center room if you have a basement. You want to get it close to the center in there in that situation as well. But if you don't have a basement, center room, a bathroom, a closet, just anything away from windows and as many walls between you and the outside as possible.
Okay.
A lot of times with stronger tornadoes, you'll see nothing left but a very small interior room in the center of the house.
Wow, that's crazy. Well, is there anything else that you think we should inform the public about when it comes to tornado safety?
The most important thing I would say is just to make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure your family knows what to do. If you're not home, make sure your kids know where to go in the event that a tornado warning is issued. And you just want to have that preparedness of knowing what to do when danger comes, when tornado warnings are issued.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Lucas. And thank you all for your support. We'll have another video up on the weather radio, how to program that, on the next episode. We're going to try to do 2 of these a week. So stay tuned. We thank you guys for your support. Hope you have a great day.